Good morning, guys. I'm back on the 85 Vet. We're in tearing to these motor mounts. We've got some nice energy suspension rubber pieces to go in there. So let's get the old ones out. We've got a drill there, there, and there. We'll clean the bracketry up and get them painted up a little bit, just clean and paint. And then we will get the new rubber pieces in.
They're not rubber, they're poly.
Yeah, well, rubber, poly. At least they're not solid.
I'd run solids.
Whoa.
I'm crazy.
We're different. We're different.
How many cars have I had that had solid mounts?
We put solid trans mount in Chris's red truck. Oh, so harsh.
Yeah.
But anyways, so yeah, I'll get these drilled out and I'll show you guys the next step. Okay. Well, drill out the holes. Smaller one to get started. Bigger one to finish it. Top piece popped off pretty easily. That piece over there. Give this one a little heat. It popped right off. So get all this cleaned up. Ready to go. And we'll get on to the next one. All right. Got both of them apart. We are going to throw them in the ultrasonic cleaner. And give it a few minutes in there. We'll clean them up. And give them a quick spritz. And start setting up the new polys in there. Can't wait. Okay. Looks like she came out pretty nice. Give them a quick wire wheel. Real quick. Mostly get this off right here. And then I can get them all spruced up. And I grabbed one of the new. I'll have to grab the other one. Those one of the old ones. Oops, one of the old ones, new one. So yeah, I'll show you the process. Okay, well, there's the before. Here's the after. Just clean them off with some brake clean. Like I said, we're gonna take them and spritz them some black before we start putting them back together. I just need to get the majority of the rubber out so the new ones sit correctly. So I'll show you the next process here in a little bit.